I need 1 egg yolk and 2 egg whites. So I will set Alright, so now we will be mixing all the ingredients for the pancakes. First of all, we have to add the sugar and mix it. Alright, so now I will be beating the egg whites with the hand mixer until it starts foaming. You can increase the speed gradually whenever you like. Alright, so now I have to mix the egg whites with the mixed ingredients to make the pancake batter. You can also use a spatula to your liking instead of the whisk if you would like. Alright, so now I will be putting the ring mold with the readily greased butter into the saucepan so that it does not stick. Alright guys, so you can choose any types of assorted fruits or berries you would like to go with your Japanese souffle pancake. Now I chose the banana because it is one of my most favorites. You can also top it up with honey or maple syrup, whichever you would prefer, to go with your Japanese souffle pancakes, as well as butter to make it even more delicious. And now it is ready to serve. Here it is, my Japanese souffle pancake.